Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to report income from a non-profit organization on Turbotax. It's going to be a quick one, so let's just jump straight into it. The first step is going to be to gather necessary documents. So you want to go ahead and collect your non-profit organization income statements as well as your form 990. Also, you can just gather other relevant information, including non-profit organization bylaws. And once you have all those documents prepared, go ahead and log into Turbotax. So go to Turbotax website and sign into your account using your email address and your password. And once that's done, you want to select the tax year that you want to report your non-profit organization income for. Next, you're going to choose non-profit organization income from the income menu, and then select the non-profit organization that you want to report. Once that's done, you're going to enter your non-profit organization income information, including, of course, your income, your deductions, and your credits. From there on out, you can claim any related deductions, such as business expenses or charitable donations. Go ahead and claim those. And final step is going to be to review your non-profit organization income reports, just to make sure that everything is accurate. And if it is, go ahead and submit it to the IRS, and they're going to take care of the rest. That's pretty much it on how to report income from a non-profit organization on Turbotax. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.